Welcome back to the next installment in our First Time Camper series. I'm Bart Taylor.
And I'm Matt Arndt.
Today we'll supply propane to the RV appliances. In the previous installment, we went over supplying water to the fresh water system, which included filling the water heater.
Remember, don't start the water heater unless it has water in it. Once again, we can check the water at the pressure temperature relief valve to make sure the tank is full. It's full. Now let's go turn on the propane. It is important to open the valve slowly and completely. Turning on the valves too quickly, especially on a split bottle system, can lock up the LP system. If your RV has two bottles, open them both.
The lever on the automatic gas regulator will point to the gas bottle being used. When the red flag appears in the inspection glass, that bottle is empty. Turn the lever toward the other bottle and the empty bottle can be removed and filled. Now we can go inside and turn the water heater on to begin heating water for use. We can also turn the furnace on if needed, and if equipped with an RV fridge like this one, make sure it's on auto and turned on.
Join us in the last video from this series where we learn about the gray and black tanks and hooking up the sewer hose.